We are in a time crunch. Start the damn timer. All my parts arrived from Japan. Let's kit out the S15. The game plan is really simple. Today's Monday. Tomorrow, I have a guy who's gonna install all my arms and then coils, okay? On Wednesday, I need to put on the Blitz wheels. I need to get the tires onto the wheels, throw those on, and then I have a fender rolling appointment. And on Thursday, I have a whole alignment appointment because I have to book like way ahead. If you want someone reputable for alignment, you have to book way ahead. All right, yeah, no, the guy just canceled on me actually, so we're just gonna have to do the coils. I'm just gonna do them myself.
Yeah, it's good.
That was so bad. I was in a Ralph's public parking lot at like 2 a.m. trying to get this thing done. I had to make it super long and I couldn't fit a brake line and ABS line to like go back into place on the new coil. I don't know why. I ended up taking it to somebody else, as you're about to see, and even he couldn't do it, so he just had to bend the little legs at the bottom of the coils. I put them in the wrong angle. They were sideways. We still have the rears to do. I'm tired of it, so Peter to the rescue. My speakers have been blown. I'm so happy to get that piece out because it's been rattling every time the bass. Every time I listen to Sade, man, it'd be rattling, bro. But I've been in a time crunch, right? It's already Wednesday. I have a fender rolling appointment today. I'm like, how am I gonna get this done? How am I gonna show up to it? Newsflash, I don't. Like, I'm literally unable to. I still haven't gotten the tires and wheels like put together, mounted or whatever. So, bro, it's been bad. It's been bad, and I'm just trying to do things last minute, like always. Yup, that's insane. So as I'm doing those coils, I text, I'm not even gonna say his name, bro. I text the fender guy, I'm like, hey, I don't think I'm gonna be able to make it because I still have to get like my wheels mounted and do all this, and it's far, like, and he's like, you can't reschedule. And I'm like, damn, it's okay if I just lose my deposit, I guess, I can pay you again. And he's like, actually, I think I'll be able to do it tomorrow. So make sure your wheels are on and pull up tomorrow. I'm like, great. I woke up late, bro. Wheel prep, really quick. One of them is slightly oxidized. See how shiny that is? And it's not like cloudy on there? And then it's fucked up. Solution? Heavy duty metal polish. Let's give it a shot. And then let's ceramic coat my wheels. I unwrapped it and everything and it wasn't recording, but I did the best I could do. Yeah. Back in my room so my cat doesn't hop on them. They are coated up, they're cleaned up, ready to get tires mounted on them tomorrow. This is my room right now. I woke up late.
Oh my god. My Blitz is there, as you can see. I'm not gonna have time to mount the tires and wheels. He told me yesterday though, he's like, yo, you don't need to have the wheels on. Like, I'll be able to do it without it. Is that the bear that I'm thinking of?
I just know this guy hates me because I postponed and didn't even come with the wheels on.
Here first.
Yeah, no, don't worry. Has someone like blamed you for some shit?
That's why I always kind of like make the comment first.
Yeah.
Just in case, because there are times when I'm like, oh fuck, okay, if you really think I did it, like, I know I didn't do it. I just remember I was like, wait, what's Hollywood is like?
Turning onto the clubs?
No, I have a car to do there. I was trying to think, I was like. Dirty. Yeah. You can see the transition, how flat it goes.
Yo, enough dilly-dallying. Let's go mount these wheels. I just scraped my wheels. They banged against each other, kind of scraped. I'm hoping that like it's hidden. It's on like the inner side of the lip. I guess we'll see when they're on. Took me an hour to get here. We're back at Andy's. This man, I'm gonna tell you right now, he's the Cassie to my Diddy, bro. You see how he's oiling up them wheels? Damn! He doing it face down. He taking care of him. Super trustworthy guy. If you're ever in Pomona, get your ass over there. I'll drop his address. He's good. But it's already Thursday night at this point. I missed the alignments, so I had to make another appointment, and that's not until Tuesday. So what we're about to do after we put on the wheels, as in on Friday, is install the rest of the suspension, bro. We're gonna have all the Cusco arms. We're gonna throw all that in, because I might as well have it all ready, right? And the moment I've been waiting for months is it's finally time to put on my wheels, bro. 2007 Blitz 03s, 18 by 8.5 with a 38 plus offset. Fuck, I need fucking spacers. And they don't fucking fit. It won't fit with the rotor. I need fucking spacers, bro. Goddamn. The reason I didn't get any spacers ahead of time is because I was told it would fit. And I didn't want to get spacers yet because I knew that I probably would need them when I do the R33 brake upgrade. I throw those calipers on. So that's why I haven't gotten any spacers yet. So here I am now, rolling with 18s in the back and 16s in the front. Very classy, I know. And spacers aren't gonna arrive till next week.
All right, where are we and what are we doing?
We are in Eastvale, 60 miles out. Took us like an hour to get here. And we're gonna save my R33 GTR.
This week has been way more eventful than I ever wanted it to be. Nothing went as planned. There was so much running around, and there was so many last minute things that needed to be solved, like spacers, or getting cancellations, or trying to reschedule stuff, or stealing my GTR back from a piece of shit. But enjoyed the time lapse. The full install took like 4 hours, surprisingly. Full Cusco suspension, sways included, on my S15, man. The blue is honestly just so beautiful. I know no one's gonna see it, but like, you can tell the theme of my car is gonna be blue. You know, it's gonna have a lot of blue notes. My blue B package interior. Like, I don't have a choice. But with all my cars, I like them to be like different colors, different themes. Like, I'm definitely gonna be more on the red side with my R33 GTR. My M4 is purple, but that thing crashed right now. And no, it wasn't my fault. Yes, I'm getting a bag. Who cares? Let's work on my JDM. We're finished up. Here's a close-up of the rears. Sways on the bottom. Looking good. Tightening all these bolts, man. This one's the front. Same thing. Now let's see how it drives. My shit is sideways. I can feel every single tire fighting against each other.
Holy fuck.
It's undrivable. But I went home and my spacers arrived. So now the front wheels are on. That's a 15 and a 5. Top view if your eyes don't work. What was originally planned to take 72 hours has taken me 200. Yeah, we're at Andy's alignment. No affiliation, Andy's tires. And it's time for the moment of truth to make my car actually drivable.
I can feel it, trust me.
This is how I've been driving for 4 days. And when he asked me what Cusco's were,
This is gonna be my suggestion for you.
my heart sank. He claimed that my front tension and rear upper arms were incorrectly installed. So off to Peter's I went, and we adjusted them no fucking problem. So our theory was, they were either too lazy to take off my wheel, or assumed we put it in at maximum length because they were too weak to untighten the bolt.